Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as how to write the name of ketone, that is called as the nomenclature of ketones. Okay. So in organic chemistry we take the two types of the different types of naming the organic compound. First of all we take the common name, and second we take the what here IUPAC name. So in the common name, how to write the common name of ketones. So question is that how to write the name of ketone called as a nomenclature of ketones. Clear? So in the common name is also called Travel's name. It means if we write the common name of a ketone, then first of all we write the name of alkyl or aryl group attached to the carbonyl carbon, and after we take the word ketones. For example, we take the example here ROR, this ROR, this called as ether, but here this RO group attached to what here the CO called as carbonyl carbon. So it means the first we take the name of the alkyl group, after we name the what here ketone. So name of this compound is called as what dialkyl ketones. Okay, if compound which contain two similar group, so name we take the what here di, and the word is called as what here alkyl, so name is called as what here dialkyl what here ketones. So dialkyl ketone is a common name. Clear? In a simple language, how to write the common name of ketone? So first we write the name of what alkyl or aryl group directly attached to the carbonyl carbon, and after we write the what here word ketones. So name is called what here dialkyl ketone, or this R replaced by the CH3, so it is called what here dimethyl ketones. Okay, or special name is called what here common name acetones. Okay, now we take the example here. This CH3COCH3, this compound in which the 2CH3 group is attached to what here carbonyl carbon. So first we name the what alkyl group attached to the carbonyl carbon, after we take the name what here what ketones. So these two similar group called as the methyl, so we take the dimethyl ketone. The common name of this compound is called what here dimethyl ketones. Second question or second example here, CH3COCH2CH3. In this compound, the one is methyl group attached to carbonyl carbon, and second is called what here ethyl group. So the second rule is that if any carbonyl compound at which the two different alkyl group is attached, so we referred as the alphabetical order name. So first we name the what here the CH3 called as methyl, and the C2H5 is called as what here ethyl. So in alphabet we take the name first ethyl and second methyl. So name called as what here ethyl methyl what here ketone. So the common name of this compound is called what here ethyl methyl ketones. क्लियर बेटा? पहला रूल क्या है बेटा? सबसे पहले क्या करना है आपको, जो कार्बोनिल कार्बन है उससे जो ग्रुप अटैच्ड है अल्किल और अरील उसका नाम लिखना है. अगर ग्रुप इक्वल है सेम है तो उसके लिए वर्ड डाई लगाते हैं हम लोग. क्लियर? अगर ग्रुप डिफरेंस है वो सीओ कॉलेज कार्बोनिल कार्बन से अटैच, अगर डिफरेंट ग्रुप है तो हम अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यूज़ करते हैं. इथिल मिथिल, सो फर्स्ट ई इन अल्फ़ाबेट, सेकंड एम, सो इथिल मिथिल कीटोन्स. क्लियर? थर्ड, दिस कंपाउंड contain how many carbon? This compounds contain a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon and attached to the one Br as a what here a branch. So first of all we name this compound here. So this is called as a alpha carbon or one carbon, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5. Clear? If any compound or any this carbon or ketone attached to branch, we take the word alphabetic, we take the what here alpha carbon, beta carbon as a numbering. So why is called alpha carbon? Because it directly attached to what here the branch called as alpha carbon, और स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से करना है आपको, ये CO ग्रुप फंक्शन ग्रुप है बेटा, ये BRB फंक्शन ग्रुप है, तो जो नियरेस्ट जो होता है उसको हम फर्स्ट कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट देते हैं या फिर अल्फा देते हैं, ठीक है। तो अल्फा, ठीक है, ओके। नाउ नेमिंग दिस कंपाउंड्स कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, सो इट इज कॉल्ड अल्फा कार्बन, इट कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, बीटा कार्बन, ओके। सो नेम फर्स्ट व्हाट हियर, द नेम द ब्रांच, so first of all we take the name of the branch here, so any compound which contain a branch, so branch we take the number first here, okay. So this carbon will be take as alpha carbon because these CO starting from which carbon, so numbering are starting from the CO group, so carbon number what here, this called as the first, clear, okay. So it is called alpha carbon, so alpha bromine, so we take the what here name, alpha bromo, okay, alpha bromo, and remaining part here what here, this how many carbon, 2 carbon, here also 2 carbon, so name is called what, alpha bromo what here, diethyl ketone, alpha bromo diethyl ketone, okay. Or this compound is further will be goes as, अगर यहाँ CH2 अगर एक एडिज है तो इससे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, नेम डिफरेंट आएगा उसका, ठीक है। तो उसका नेम क्या होगा बेटा, अल्फा व्हाट हियर, अल्फा ब्रोमो, हाउ मेनी कार्बन, दिस कंटेन दिस 2 carbon, it is called as the ethyl group, it's also called ethyl group, so name is called alpha bromo diethyl ketones. Next here, this compound is contain a 2 carbonyl carbon or 2 ketone group, so any compound which contain 2 similar ketone group, so name of this special compound are take as, so this types of compound when a 2 similar CO group is attached, so the compound will be named as what here, how many carbon, it contain a 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon, clear. So it is called as a hexane, okay, clear, hexane. Now the CO group starting from which carbon, so the CO group are starting from carbon number 2 and carbon number 4 here, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, so what here, hexane 2, 4, 2 से स्टार्ट हुआ 4 से 2, 4, what here, hexane 2, 4, how many carbon, dione, why dione, because the 2 ketone group is there, it means the 4 point that is called as ketone, it contains 2 same group called as ketone, so any types of this compound name as will be take as what here, the common name as well as IUPAC name is same. अगर यहाँ पर स्पेशल है बेटा कंडीशन, अगर कीटोन 2 है तो उसका कॉमन नेम और IUPAC नेम सेम रहेगा, क्लियर है बेटा, ओके। नेक्स्ट ईयर वी टेक द व्हाट हियर, CH3CO CH2 CHO, दिस कंपाउंड इज कंटेन अ 2 डिफरेंट व्हाट हियर ग्रुप, so this types of compound how to write the common name, so here if any compound which contain a 2 different what here the function group, so we take the word oxo for ketone and remaining R's, it means first we name the ketone and second we name the what here, aldehyde, okay. So carbon number first, second, third, fourth, what we take there, oxo, why we take the word oxo, it means this word are used to write the name of ketone, it means if the 2 different function group is attached to the any compound or any compound contain, we take the word oxo for the ketone and the remaining part will be our take here oxo, ठीक है, ओके बेटा। सो व्हाट वी टेक हियर oxo, और इसका अगर नंबर चेंज किया बेटा, अगर नंबर यहाँ से दिया आपने इसको, कहाँ से नंबर दिया, यहाँ से 1 2 3 4, तो oxo मीन्स 3 oxo, क्लियर, 3 oxo and how many carbon, 1 2 3 4 called as butane and butane E replaced by Al for the aldehyde, so 3 oxo butanol, it means the common name of this compound and IUPAC name of compound both are same. 3 oxy, why, because this represented the what here, the function name of the ketone replaced by the ketone by oxo, 3 oxo butanol, why butanol, because the aldehyde is present, ठीक है। Next here, two group similar attached to the CO group. So special name of this compound is called what here? Benzophenone. What here? Benzophenone. So compound called as a benzophenone or diphenyl what here? ketones. इसका सेकेंड नेम क्या है बेटा और करके, और सेकेंड नेम क्या आएगा इसका? डाइफिनिल कीटोन. क्लियर? Okay, benzo means benzene, phenone means a CO group means ketone called as phenone. Suffix is what here? ONE, phenone. Next here, this compound which it is example of the what here? Simple ketone. Here it is example of what here? Complex ketone, because two different alkyl alkyl group attached to the carbon called as a what here? What here? The complex ketone or unsymmetrical ketones. अब नेम क्या देंगे? अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. It is called as the benzene. Or phenyl, it is called as a methyl. So what we take them first? First we name the what here? Phenyl or the methyl. So first we take the what here? Name of the benzene. Benzyl methyl ketone. और अगर उल्टा कर लिया रिएक्शन बेटे तो क्या नेम है इसका? Here we take the CH3 called as methyl and this ring is called as phenyl. So we take the what here? Methyl, phenyl and second ketone, methyl phenyl ketones. Clear है? Next here, this compound, it means this also contain a two functional group. One is called as acetone and second is called as alkene. So the special name of this compound is called what here? Mesitylene. What here? Mesitylene oxide. What here? Mesitylene oxide. So the special name of compound is called what here? Mesitylene oxide or mesetyl oxide. Clear? So in this way we write the common name of the what here? The ketones. Simple है बेटा, क्या याद रखिए? तीन रूल याद रखो बेटा. फर्स्ट रूल क्या याद रखिए? कीटोन से अगर सिमिलर ग्रुप है अटैच्ड उससे वर्ड लगा दे डाई. ठीक है? और बाद में फर्स्ट वी नेम द अल्किल ग्रुप, आफ्टर वी नेम द कीटोन्स. क्लियर? सेकंड रूल क्या याद रखेंगे आप? सेकंड रूल में क्या है? अगर टू डिफरेंट ग्रुप अटैच है कीटोन से तो पहले हम अल्फाबेटिक का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी नेम द व्हाट हियर? अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर बाय फॉर एग्जाम्पल इथिल मिथिल. सो फर्स्ट वी नेम द इथिल एंड सेकंड वी टेक द नेम ऑफ मिथिल हियर. एंड थर्ड हियर, एनी कंपाउंड विच कंटेन अ टू सेम फंक्शन ग्रुप वी टेक द वर्ड हियर व्हाट हियर? हेक्सिन डाइन, hexa 2,4 dione. And if any compound which contain two different functional group, first we name the what here? The ketone change into oxo and after second functional group. So in this way we take the common name of the aldehyde, what here? Ketone. Second, now we take the what here? IUPAC name. What here? It means how to write the IUPAC name of what here? Acetones. So you know, if you write the any organic compound with IUPAC name, the some rule are same. For example, select the long chain first, numbering the long chain first, starting from the those carbon which is directly attached to the function group or the compound. The function group contain a carbon. कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट देगी उसको. अगर फॉर एग्जांपल कार्बन है तो CHO है तो CHO में कार्बन है उसको नंबर फर्स्ट देगी हम लोग. ठीक है? इस तरीके से इसकी कुछ रूल होती है. ठीक है? तो सिमिलरली if any compound which contain a what here? The 3 or 4 carbon, we take the numbering system. 3 कार्बन अगर रहे तो नंबर देगी, अगर नहीं, अगर 3 कार्बन नहीं है 2 है तो नंबर देना नहीं चाहिए. यहाँ पे हम लोग डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे नेम उसका. ठीक है? ओके. सो वी टेक द व्हाट हियर फर्स्ट CH3CO CH3. सो द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड स्पेशल कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? एसीटोन्स. सो द IUPAC name of this compound is also called as acetone or what here second name? It's also take here some rule. First rule is here the replacement of alkene E by what here? The ONE. It means alkane change into alkanone. What here? In the IUPAC name the alkane what here? The alkane E are replaced by ONE. It means alkane are changed into alkanone. Okay. So here the IUPAC system is IUPAC name of this compound is what here? How many carbon? 2 carbon. The 2 carbon is also called as what here? 2 carbon or 3 carbon here? It contains 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon called as propane. What here? Propane. And E replaced by O and E. So name of compound is called as the acetone or propanone. It means especially this compound, the name of this compound is called as acetone or what here? Propanone. Why propanone? Because it contains 3 carbon called as propane, and this propane E replaced by ONE in the IUPAC name of acetone called as the propanone. Next here, CH3COCH2CH3. This compound contains how many carbon? Carbon number first, second, third, fourth. Fourth carbon called as butane. What here? 4 carbon called as a butane. E replaced by ONE called as the butanone. So the 4 carbon, it means the butane, and butane E replaced by ONE called as the what here? Butanone. Next here, this compound is contain one branch Br. So first we name the branch here. So starting the numbering from the carbon number first here. So the IUPAC name of this type of compound is called as what here? So we take the carbon number first of this carbon first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now first of all in the IUPAC system, first we name the branch with number. So branch is Br. So it is called as a 2-bromo, and remaining part how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 called as what here? Pentane E replaced by ONE called as what here? 2-bromopentanone. What here? 2-bromopentanone is the IUPAC name of this compound here. Okay. Next here, what we take the next here? This compound contain a 2 similar ketone group or 2 same function group. So name here first the numbering. Then first we name the what here? Number of carbon, and second we name the acetone that will attach to which carbon. So the common name and IUPAC name both are same. So it is called as what here? Hexane. In this compound, if the 2 similar function group will be present in the given compound, the E of alkane does not remove this E are right as it is. So hexane, and this, if you number this carbon we take 2, 4, it means the starting from the 2 of this function group, 4 from this function group. So what we take there? Hexane 2, 4, and the word similar word we take the di, and the suffix of this ketone called on. So name of called is what here? Hexene 2,4-dione. Clear? Next here, any compound which contain 2 different functional group, one is called as the CO called as a ketone, and second is called CHO called as aldehyde. So especially this types of compound, if you write the IUPAC name of the ketone and we give the this what here compound. So first of all we take the name of the ketone, and this ketone are replaced by oxo group. So and numbering for this, so 3 oxo, starting 3 say 3 oxo. Clear? And how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 called as a butane, and butane E replaced by Al because this called as aldehyde group. So if you write the IUPAC name of aldehyde, we remove a E by Al. So what we take the name here? It means the common name of this compound and IUPAC name both are same. What here? 3 oxo butane null. 3 oxo butanol is the IUPAC name. Next here, what here? 2 similar benzene group attached to CO group. So the special name of the common is called as benzophenone or diphenyl. What here? Ketone. If you write the IUPAC name of this compound, what we take here? How many carbon? Clear? So this is called as the what here? Diphenyl ketone. And if you write the IUPAC name of this compound, we take the similar word here, benzophenone. What here? Benzophenone. Clear? What here? Benzophenone. Common name diphenyl ketone, IUPAC name benzo. Why benzo? Because 2 benzene here. Benzo, one is called as benzo, second is called phen, and the remaining phen is replaced by what here? ONE called as the benzophenone is the IUPAC name. Next here, this compound is called as a methyl phenyl ketone. What here? Common name. Now we write the IUPAC name. So this special name of this compound is called what here? IUPAC name acetophenone here. Acetophenone. phenol. Okay, and the last example here, this compound means CH3 by 2C double bond or CH single bond CO CH3. This type of compound is contain two different functional group. One is called as alkene, and second is called as the ketone. The special name of the common name is called as what here? Mesitylene oxide. So now to write the IUPAC name, so here how to write the IUPAC in this type of compound here? So first of all we take the name here, what here? First of all numbering this carbon here. So first of all starting number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now first CH3 will be act as branch. So we take name the branch 4-methyl. What here? 4-methyl. Then next, what we take the name here? Next here, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we take there? 5 called as the pent, PN paint. Okay, and numbering name the first functional group alkene, pent. Okay, and this pent alkene is starting from the carbon number 3rd, so pent 3En, pent 3En. Okay, then next here this ketone group starting from carbon number 2 here, so 2 on. So 4-methyl pent, what here? 4-methyl pent, 4-methyl pent 3ene, then 2 on. The special name compound here, what here? 4-methyl pent 3ene 2 on. 3 and 2 is a number of carbon that which the what here the ketone and alkene group is attached. Clear? तो यहाँ पे जो CH3/2 था बेटा, तो यहाँ क्या किया इसको हमने, यहाँ पे एक CH3 को ब्रांच सपोज किया, तो पहले इसको नंबर दिया 4-methyl, और रिमेनिंग जो CH3 है जो भी ग्रुप है उसको हमने स्ट्रेट चेन में सपोज किया, तो हाउ मेनी कार्बन रिमेनिंग? व्हाट हियर? 5 कार्बन. ओके, सो 5 कार्बन विल बी टेक हियर व्हाट हियर? पेंट एंड नेम फर्स्ट alkene, it's a functional group name, and last here the alkanon called as what here? The ketone. So in this way we take the common name as well as the IUPAC name of the following compound. सिंपल है बेटा, पहले आपको कॉमन नेम लिखना पड़ता है, तो कॉमन नेम में क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग? फर्स्ट वी नेम द व्हाट हियर? द dialkyl group attached to the ketones, and second we take the name here the ketone group. क्लियर? कॉमन नेम में क्या रखेंगे बेटा हम लोग? तो कॉमन नेम में पहले हम क्या लिखते हैं? डायल्किल, यानी जो भी ग्रुप अटैच्ड है कीटोन से, सी डबल बॉन्डों से, उसका नेम लिखते हैं, और बाद में फंक्शनल ग्रुप कीटोन लगाते हैं काय में कॉमन नेम. और IUPAC में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? IUPAC नेम के रूल अलग अलग होते हैं, है ना? सेलेक्ट द लॉन्ग चेन फर्स्ट, नंबरिंग द दोज कार्बन दैट विद द व्हाट हियर द फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड, नंबर दिए इस तरीके से. अगर दो सिमिलर फंक्शनल ग्रुप है तो उसमें ऑक्सो लगाते हैं हम लोग, और अल्किन का ई रिप्लेस नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है ना? अगर आपको किसी भी कंपाउंड का कीटोन का IUPAC नेम लिखना है तो रूल क्या फॉलो करते हैं? पहले वाला, अल्केन ई रिप्लेस बाय ONE कॉल्ड एज अल्केनॉन. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है, कुछ रूल दिए गए आपको, रूल याद रखने, एग्जांपल याद रखना. इजी है बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आता है. ठीक है, ओके. कॉमन नेम एंड IUPAC नेम. क्लियर? ओके, कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.